An invisible shield. The importance of bulletproof glass is something we see in movies and often in our daily lives, but rarely stop to think about. Whether it's a high-octane car chase or a tense bank heist, bulletproof glass often plays a starring role in keeping characters safe. But beyond the silver screen, this remarkable material is a silent guardian in our everyday environments. Yet this unassuming material plays a crucial role in keeping people safe in a variety of situations. Imagine the peace of mind it provides to bank tellers, who can perform their duties without the constant fear of a potential robbery. Or consider the sense of security it offers to government officials who rely on it to protect sensitive information and themselves from potential threats. From the banks and government buildings to armored vehicles and even jewelry stores, bulletproof glass provides an invisible shield against potential threats. In jewelry stores, it protects valuable items from smash-and-grab thefts, while in armored vehicles, it ensures the safety of those inside during dangerous situations. This glass is not just a barrier, it's a lifeline, but have you ever wondered how it actually works? What makes this glass so special that it can stop a bullet in its tracks? The secret lies in its unique construction, which involves multiple layers of glass and plastic. These layers work together to absorb and disperse the energy of a bullet, preventing it from penetrating through. How can something transparent and seemingly fragile withstand the impact of a speeding bullet? The answer is in the science of materials. When a bullet strikes bulletproof glass, the outer layer absorbs the initial impact, while the inner layers flex and spread the force over a larger area. This process significantly reduces the bullet's momentum, rendering it harmless. Let's delve into the fascinating world of bulletproof glass and uncover the secrets behind its strength. From its meticulous production process to the rigorous testing it undergoes, every piece of bulletproof glass is a marvel of modern engineering. Join us as we explore how this transparent shield continues to protect lives and property around the world. Not your average pane uncovering the ingredients of strength. Believe it or not, the key to bulletproof glass doesn't lie in some exotic, super-strong material. In fact, it's all about the clever combination of two common components, glass and polycarbonate. Glass, with its rigid structure, provides the initial barrier, while polycarbonate, a tough and transparent plastic, adds the crucial element of flexibility. But it's not just about layering these materials together. The manufacturing process plays a vital role in creating a material that can stop a bullet in its tracks. The process begins with alternating layers of glass and polycarbonate, meticulously arranged to maximize strength and flexibility. Each layer is bonded together using a special adhesive that ensures the layers act as a single cohesive unit. This adhesive is crucial because it allows the glass to absorb and disperse the energy from an impact, while the polycarbonate prevents shattering. When a bullet strikes, the glass layer cracks and spreads the force over a larger area. The polycarbonate then flexes, absorbing the remaining energy and stopping the bullet from penetrating. Quality control is paramount, with each pane undergoing rigorous testing to ensure it meets stringent safety standards. From protecting bank tellers to safeguarding vehicles, bulletproof glass is a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of safety. So the next time you see a bulletproof glass pane, remember the science and craftsmanship that went into creating this remarkable material. It's not just a piece of glass. It's a marvel of modern engineering designed to protect and save lives. Layering up, the magic of polycarbonate and glass. The magic happens through a process called lamination. Imagine creating a multi-layered sandwich, but instead of bread and fillings, we use sheets of glass and polycarbonate. The process begins with a sheet of glass, followed by a layer of polycarbonate, and then another sheet of glass. This process is repeated multiple times, creating a thick layered structure that resembles a very strong cake. The number of layers depends on the desired level of protection, with thicker glass offering greater resistance. Putting it to the test, ensuring bulletproof reliability. Once the laminated glass is complete, it's subjected to rigorous testing to ensure its effectiveness. This isn't just a matter of shooting at it and seeing what happens, although that is part of it. Sophisticated labs analyze the glass's resistance to different types of bullets, angles of impact, and even multiple shots. These tests guarantee that the bulletproof glass meets the required safety standards and can be relied upon in real-life situations. Section 5. A blast from the past. The surprising history of bulletproof glass. The history of bulletproof glass is surprisingly long and fascinating. Contrary to what you might think, it wasn't invented in some high-tech lab. Legend has it that the idea was born in the 17th century when Prince Rupert of Germany, while experimenting with molten glass, accidentally created incredibly strong glass beads. Though not bulletproof in the modern sense, these beads sparked curiosity and paved the way for future innovations in glassmaking. Section 6. Beyond the bank everyday uses of bulletproof glass. While we often associate bulletproof glass with banks and armored cars, its applications extend far beyond these traditional uses. Today you can find bulletproof glass in schools, hospitals, government buildings, and even private residences. Its ability to provide an invisible layer of protection has made it an invaluable tool in safeguarding people and property in a wide range of settings. Section 7. Different levels of protection. Not all bulletproof glass is created equal. It's important to note that not all bulletproof glass is created equal. There are different levels of protection, each designed to withstand specific types of firearms and ammunition. These levels are categorized using a system that takes into account factors like bullet caliber, velocity, and the number of shots the glass can withstand. Understanding these levels is crucial for choosing the right type of bulletproof glass for specific security needs. Section 8. The future is clear. Advancements in bulletproof technology. The world of bulletproof technology is constantly evolving. Researchers and engineers are continually pushing the boundaries, developing new materials and manufacturing processes to create even stronger and more lightweight bulletproof glass. Some promising advancements include the use of nanotechnology to enhance the strength and transparency of the glass, as well as the development of new types of polymers that offer even greater impact resistance. Section 9. The science of stopping a bullet. Understanding the physics. So, how does bulletproof glass actually stop a bullet? This question has fascinated scientists and engineers for decades. The answer lies in the intricate interplay of materials and the fundamental principles of physics. It all comes down to physics. The science behind bulletproof glass is a perfect example of how we can harness the laws of nature to create something that saves lives. By understanding the forces at play, we can design materials that perform extraordinary feats. When a bullet hits the glass, the multiple layers work together to absorb and dissipate the energy of the impact. Each layer has a specific role, with some designed to crack and others to flex. This multi-layered approach is crucial for stopping high-velocity projectiles. The outer layers of glass may crack or shatter, but the polycarbonate layers flex and stretch, slowing the bullet down. This flexibility is key to the glass's ability to absorb the bullet's energy without breaking completely. The polycarbonate acts like a net, catching the bullet and preventing it from moving forward. This process of distributing the force over a wider area prevents the bullet from penetrating through to the other side, effectively stopping it in its tracks. By spreading out the impact, the glass can handle much more force than a single solid piece could. This is why bulletproof glass is often used in security applications, from bank teller windows to armored vehicles. Understanding the physics behind it not only helps us appreciate the technology, but also drives innovation in creating even more effective protective materials.